fastest 1960s muscle car over the quarter mile. The 1968 HEMI Barracuda BO29. The fastest muscle car of the 1960s wasn't built for cruising. It wasn't made for stoplights. It wasn't even meant to be comfortable. It was built for one thing: to destroy the quarter mile. This is the story of the 1968 Plymouth HEMI Barracuda BO29. The factory drag car that turned Chrysler's little A-body Barracuda into one of the most feared machines in superstock history. Before the Barracuda became a legend, there was Ronnie Socks and Buddy Martin. Buddy Martin was a businessman at heart. Ronnie Socks was pure driving talent, the kind of driver who could make a 4-speed car look automatic. After losing to Socks for an entire season, Buddy made the smartest decision of his racing career. If you can't beat him, hire him. That handshake created one of the most legendary partnerships in drag racing history: Socks and Martin. Ronnie brought the impossible reaction time. Buddy brought the business sense, the promotion, and the organization. Together, they became the team every racer feared when that red, white, and blue Plymouth rolled through the gate. Then came 1968. Chrysler wanted to dominate superstock, so Plymouth took the lightweight Barracuda and gave it the engine everyone feared: the 426 race HEMI. NHRA notes that the BO29 cars used serious race hardware, including a cross-ram intake, dual Holley 4-barrel carburetors, 12.5-to-1 compression, and drag-focused driveline parts. These cars were not normal showroom Barracudas. They were sent to Hurst Performance for race conversion. Plymouth deleted the heater, sound deadening, body sealer, radio, rear seat, and anything else that didn't help the car go faster. Fiberglass panels, lightweight parts, superstock suspension, and a race-prepped drivetrain turned the small Barracuda into a factory-built weapon. And Socks and Martin got one of the most important ones. By June of 1968, Ronnie Socks was already sorting out the BO29, running a brutal 10.22 seconds at 134.32 miles per hour. A number that made the car one of the quickest factory-backed muscle cars of the entire era. But the story of one famous Socks and Martin BO29 goes even deeper. The car was originally ordered by Bill Van Way through Midtown Plymouth in Ohio and delivered in July of 1968. Van Way and Butch Ackman campaigned it through the 1969 season before it was sold to Billy the Kid Stepp. While being converted from automatic to 4-speed, the car was acquired by Ronnie Socks himself. That's when the car became part of drag racing royalty. Buddy Martin later said this car worked, and worked well. Ronnie liked it, so it got raced hard. It won, it traveled, it earned its place. And while other cars came and went, this Barracuda stayed connected to the Socks and Martin legacy. That's what makes the BO29 so dangerous to talk about. It wasn't just rare. It wasn't just fast. It was the car that proved a small Plymouth Barracuda with a race HEMI could embarrass almost anything in the other lane. Roughly 50 of these race-only HEMI Barracudas were built for 1968 Superstock competition, though production counts vary depending on source and definition. What doesn't vary is the legacy. These were purpose-built drag cars assembled for war, not Sunday drives. Today, the surviving BO29 cars are museum pieces, auction legends, and living reminders of when factory muscle was wild enough to scare the rule book. The Socks and Martin name didn't just dominate drag strips. It changed how America saw Mopar muscle. And the 1968 HEMI Barracuda BO29. That was controlled thunder on 4 wheels.